Hello guys, we will be changing a background. We are doing a tutorial for the background change, and I'll be doing it in Photoshop. That will be very quick and it will be very easy, and that's especially for photographers who do the background change. So this is Photoshop 2017. Let me show you 2000. Let's see, yeah, 2000 Photoshop 2017. So I'm doing it, so let's begin, and I'll open my file. So these are the file. This is the recent photo shoot that I have done. So let's take any picture and begin with it. Let's suppose I'm taking this one. So this is a raw one, this is a JPEG one, so I'll take a JPEG file here. So that's how it was. It was done, the photo shoot was done in a boutique, inside the boutique, and that was my setup for the photo shoot. So I was using 2 video lights, and third was my flash on the camera by itself. So what I will do is I will just make a new layer by doing this. Just follow my steps and it will be easy. So I will just crop it, because whatever I need is, I will just crop the space that I want, and so I will be doing a press enter, and that's cropped. So we will fix this one and this one. So and now you're gonna go to paint bucket, and you have to choose white color, totally white, to make a white background. So what I will do is, and the density is tolerance will be 30 here. So what I will do is click, so you will see how quickly it is doing. See, just keep clicking, Now we will come to the minor parts as well, but we will make sure that we have to use our brushes a little bit, not much. So I think this paint bucket job is done here. What I will do now is go to the tools again, and I will choose brush. So for the brush, that's my tip, 250, and I'm using a solid one, and I will press Control plus sign to zoom it in from my keyboard, on my laptop keyboard, and I will just do the minor touching here, and you can see how easy it is doing. And we will fix this one. So I will press, I will click once the brush tool, press the shift button, and then click here with the button, with the brush tool. So let's see, it's gonna fix the whole upper part. So go down and we will fix this one too. So what I will do is choose the paint bucket again, Control plus sign to zoom it in so that I can just see clearly. As you can see, no, it's doing something wrong. So press Control Z from your keyboard to undo the changes, and we will fix this thing too a little bit. No, okay. So let's see here. So you can choose the brush again here and press the bracket sign to reduce the tip. So there you go. As you can see, just do a minor touching here. Don't have to be very minor touching. Very minor. You can reduce the tip size of the brush, and you can see and it's almost done. So to fix this up, you can press the stamp tool, clone stamp tool, and make it more zoom in by pressing Control bracket from here, and press Alt here, and let's try to fix this up. So yes, and again I'm gonna pick some brush tool, reduce the size to make it more precise, and as you can see, it's done. So no more here, no more black spots. If you feel any black spots here, so you can just remove them. Just take a closer look. There are some black spots left behind, so you can by using your brush tool, you can just remove those black spots, and we'll see, is there anything left behind which should not be noticeable. And the face. So okay, I think that looks good. So that looks good. So we will just do press Control 0 from your keyboard, so that it looks it comes in the full resolution. So you can just press Control L for the levels here to make it more brighter. Adjust the levels, contrast, and the brightness of the picture. Press OK, and then to make it more prominent, you can use the dodge and blur dodge tool. Just increase the tip size, and that should be soft, more soft. No solid tip. You have to use this soft one here, and so you can just increase or decrease the tip size to make the face more clear, and your exposure should be 20%, not more than that. So just the hands itself, the skin toning. So the hands and the face skin should be look together, the same tone, the same color. So it's done, and now you can export it, or you can save it as. So you can export this image and export as or save for web. You can export it, and you can save this one. So select your JPG, or there is one other way you can save as, and choose JPEG, and whatever folder you want to save it in, you can save it in, and choose the quality 8 or 10, whatever you like. So that's how quickly you can done those you can do this retouching or change the background little bit. Don't do over retouching, because that makes something look very awkward sometimes. So you can follow those steps, and stay tuned, more videos are coming.